Hello friends, I am Nadia Maran. I am a language trainer as well as a motivator. In this video, we are going to read an article. If you feel that reading an article in Hindi newspaper is boring, come let us jointly read this article. And before getting into the article, here is a beautiful quote that is, the best way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. This is Walt Disney's best quote. See, so than than doing, if you're chatting always, if you're talking always that I'll do this, I'll do that, blah blah blah, it will never work out, right? So stop talking, let your action speaks. Okay, and I'm Natya Maran. This is your English tutorial too. Okay, friends. So this article is about Kerala budget. So let's switch to this article. Kerala budget steps up health spending. Rupees 20,000 crore to combat COVID-19, says Bal Gopal. Projecting the sorry, projecting health above all as the vision for the development and assuring equitable healthcare, nutrition, and sustainable improvements in employment, income, and economic welfare, Finance Minister K.N. Balagopal presented a tax-free revised budget for 2021 to 2022 in the Assembly on Friday. Mr. Bal Gopal, in his maiden budget, unveiled a Rs 20,000 crore package to tide over the crisis induced by the second wave of COVID-19. Rs 1,000 crore for free vaccination for all above 18 years. Rs 500 crore for purchase of all allied equipment. Rupees 5,300 crore for 5-year project for finding a permanent solution to the coastal distress and upgrading coastal infrastructure, and rupees 2,600 crore loan scheme for financial rejuvenation. Overcoming the pandemic has become the prerequisite for development. In the essence, the strategy for effective healthcare has become our strategy for development in this budget, the minister said. All the proposals in the budget presented by his predecessor, T.M. Thomas Isaac, on January 15, and the promises made in the LDF manifesto would be implemented, he said. Environment has got priority with the announcement of a comprehensive package to contain the effects of floods through Room for River scheme, as in Netherlands, living with water and eco-friendly constructions. Procurement of 10 hydrogen-powered buses for KSRTC and decision to convert 3,000 diesel buses to CNG as part of reducing corporations' operational loss and a carbon footprint figured in the budget. Malabar Literacy Circuit and Biodiversity Circuit, rejuvenation package for tourism sector, aggressive marketing for increasing footfalls, and memorials for K.R. Gauri and R. Balak Krishna Pillai have been included. Though Mr. Balagopal said increasing taxes was inevitable considering the financial crisis, the finance minister did not announce any new tax proposal in view of prevailing situations due to the pandemic. The finance minister made it clear that government did not believe in tax collection by intimidating and coercing traders and industrialists. But he said steps would be taken to strengthen the system to identify and penalize evaders. Fresh revenue source would be explored once the situation improved. A cumulative deficit of rupees 1,866.79 crore at the end of the financial year has been projected in the budget as additional expenditure of rupees 1,715.10 crore is anticipated. Revenue deficit is expected to touch rupees 16,910.12 crore, while capital expenditure is likely to fall to rupees 12,546.17 crore. So this is all about the budget which is submitted by Kerala government. So hardly you have 400 words. So once you complete watching this video, do download this document from description and read aloud in front of the mirror. Don't bother about the accent. It will develop soon as you do it continuously. And do remember this proverb too. Little strokes spell good oaks. If you divide a task into small parts, it will become easier to do. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you then in the next video. Until then, if you like this video, do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.